Hi, I'm Chef Nicholas Lodge and I'd like to talk to you about one of my brand new Flower Pro accessories. So this is my new Flower Pro Stay Fresh craft folder, part of my Flower Pro accessory line. Now this folder has two pieces of vinyl. So this enables you when you're working with either sugar or when you're working with any type of clay for craft application to cut out decorations or cut out shapes using, for example, cutters, and then be able to put them into here. So you can put some on the bottom and then you can place them more onto the top and then of course cover this over, and everything will stay nice and fresh and it will stop things drying out. Now this is being featured as just a different version of this on my a lot of my Flower Pro videos, and but this is an excellent way to keep things fresh to stop them drying. So when we are using this product, if you are taking some, for example, making roses and you're using either air drying clay or sugar, this enables you to take your Flower Pro rose blossom cutter, and then we can cut out obviously however many of these you need to cut out, 2 or 3 of those. And one of my other accessories, which I'm going to talk a little bit about in another video, is this is my Flexi Scraper. So this is the Flower Pro Flexi Scraper. Wonderful to use, for example, for lifting things up, to put them into your Stay Fresh protector here. And this also makes them easy to pop in. And then also when you come to take the item out to put onto your press, makes it very, very easy to use. Now, in a lot of my videos, if you watch some of my Flower Pro videos, you see how a lot of times, if I was cutting out, say, 12 of these petals, because I could put 3 and 3, and then I could put another 3 and another 3 here. So I cut out 12 petals. And sometimes when I'm doing that, I would put a wet washcloth or flannel on the top of this, just to keep everything, as I said, cool and obviously moist underneath. But if you're just cutting out a few items, you just literally can use this as a sort of protector to stop the pieces drying out. And then when we are doing things like, for example, multiple things they're going to cut out lots of, like, for example, like rose leaves. Again, you can cut these out. So if you had to cut out, say, 15 or 20 rose leaves, we can cut these out. This is my 4-piece rose leaf cutter set. And again, you're just going to take this, just going to pop these in. Remember, things can go in the bottom or things can go in the top. And a lot of times if I had 2 different projects, like I was making roses and rose leaves, I could cut everything out first, and I could have obviously the, as I said, rose blossoms on the top here, and then I could have the leaves on the bottom. So this is my Flower Pro Stay Fresh craft folder, a great addition to your Flower Pro molds, and makes it very wonderful to use for obviously applications with clay and also with sugar.